DITA gun. The howitzer is a cutting-edge artillery system created for modern warfare that blends potent firepower with cutting-edge technology. On the battlefield, the DA is a self-propelled howitzer that provides remarkable mobility and quick deployment. It is quite effective in both offensive and defensive operations because of its advanced targeting systems and automated loading mechanism, which allow for accurate and efficient fire. The DA gun, because of its superior range accuracy and versatility, the howitzer is a vital aid for military forces looking to dominate artillery battles. It is designed to survive hard conditions and function dependably in a variety of combat settings. The Evolution Eagle is a groundbreaking advancement in military surveillance technology. Unlike conventional drones, this state-of-the-art drone, created by the Dutch company Guard from Above, is inspired by the beauty and usefulness of nature. The Evolution Eagle creates a stealthy imprint that is essential for military surveillance by imitating the size, shape, and color of a genuine eagle. The Evolution Eagle's versatility makes it useful in a variety of mission scenarios. It is operated via first-person view, FPV, which offers a live eagle-eye perspective of the area of operations. It also has a payload bay in the back that can hold different hardware, such as a thermal camera, mapping camera, or counter-drone system. Damascus's FX-1 FlexForce is a complete armor system made to provide high-threat scenarios and broad protection. Despite its complete coverage design, this suit's sturdy structure and integrated hard shell components protect critical areas including the chest, back, arms, and legs from impact blunt force and edged weapons. With articulated joints and flexible materials that permit a complete range of motion, the FlexForce suit is designed for mobility. It also has adjustable straps and closures to guarantee a snug, personalized fit for various body shapes. Perfect for high-risk situations like riot control, tactical operations, the FX-1 FlexForce is an essential tool for law enforcement and the military personnel because it offers maximal defense without sacrificing agility. The Belgian business John Cockerill produces the groundbreaking armored fighting vehicle known as the Cockerill IX, often called the first ground interceptor. The vehicle is built with stealth characteristics and a modular multi-weapon system that allows it to operate a variety of weapon platforms, including missiles and 25-30mm autoguns. The Cockerill X, which was unveiled in 2022, is also outfitted with onboard AL smart helmets for the driver crew to use in tandem with cameras, night vision, thermal images, and various detection and recon tracking devices. It has a modified infrared signal and can move at extremely high speeds both on and off-road. Built on a sturdy ATV foundation, the LD-1 is a powerful piece of gear intended to offer mobility and protection in difficult situations. Its ballistic armor can halt small arms fire. It is perfect for activities in urban, rural, and even limited spaces because of its small size and off-road capabilities. The adaptability of the LD-1 goes beyond the ID-1, offers a level of protection and firepower that is unmatched by other vehicles in its class. In addition to its protective features, it can be equipped with a range of equipment such as machine guns, grenade launchers, and communication systems to meet specific mission requirements. These vehicles can be used for security detail, military operations, or law enforcement. As the world's first operational carrier-based drone intended for aerial refueling, the Boeing MQ-25 Stingray is revolutionary for the U.S. Navy. By refueling fighter jets like the F-18 Super Hornet and F-35C Lightning II, this unmanned aircraft increases the range and capability of carrier air wings. Developed by Boeing, the Stingray first flew in 2019 and is currently undergoing testing. Its design prioritizes functionality over stealth, with a turbofan engine for efficient flight and a refueling boom for mid-air transfers. The Stingray is a naval aviation leap forward that promises to increase the American Carrier Strike Group's range and adaptability. The Milkor IPC is a high-performance, adaptable patrol boat made to satisfy the various requirements of law enforcement, the Coast Guard, and the Navy. Equipped with cutting-edge navigation and communication equipment, its distinctive hydrofoil-assisted catamaran guarantees remarkable speed and fuel efficiency, making it perfect for a variety of maritime tasks. The Milkor IPC offers improved command and control capabilities as well as situational awareness. The Milkor IPC offers dependable performance and unparalleled versatility in a range of operational scenarios, including coastal surveillance, maritime interdiction, and search and rescue missions. It may be operated in both manned and unmanned modes. The military version of the Orion, also called the Orion E, is a medium-altitude, long-endurance male unmanned aerial vehicle (UAV) that was developed by the Crossbow Group in Russia. It is intended for airstrike missions and reconnaissance patrols. Its dimensions are 8 meters 26 feet in length and 16 meters 52 feet in wingspan. It can fly for up to 24 hours and reach an altitude of 8,000 meters. The Orion has a number of sensors, such as synthetic aperture radars, infrared cameras, and electro-optical EO cameras. Additionally, the aircraft can be equipped with a range of weaponry, including as bombs, air-to-air missiles, and air-to-surface missiles. The Russian military has deployed in Syria and Ukraine. Elbit Systems created the powerful Crossbow, a cutting-edge 120mm unmanned turreted mortar intended to improve battlefield capabilities. The Crossbow provides an exceptional blend of firepower, speed, and accuracy. It can fire a range of munitions, including guided mortar rounds, and its advanced automation and precision guidance systems allow for quick target recognition and engagement, making it an invaluable tool for contemporary military. Devastating blows are delivered by the Crossbow to both moving and stationary targets. Its small size makes it simple to integrate into a variety of platforms, such as armored cars or fixed positions, offering versatility and adaptability in a range of combat situations. The Brinc Lemur S is a cutting-edge drone made for missions involving extreme risk. With its advanced capabilities, this sturdy and long-lasting drone can ascend stairs, navigate inside spaces, and perform two-way interactions. A 4K visual camera on the Lemur S records and streams high-definition video in real time. The maximum speed of the Brinc Lemur is 50 miles per hour, 80.5 kilometers per hour. Most home blasts and tempered automobiles can be effectively stopped by the Lemur's glass breaker attachment. The Lemur's capacity to turn over following inversions is one of its special characteristics, which raises the likelihood that a mission will be successful. Additionally, the drone contains a 3D laser sensor that supplies the information needed to support its Brinc autonomy engine. As the Lemur S clears a building, its LiDAR sensors generates 2D floor plans and sends them to users in real time. The Thunder B-VTOL is a sophisticated vertical takeoff and landing B-VTOL drone made for a variety of uses, such as cargo transportation and surveillance reconnaissance. This adaptable UAV can function well in both urban and rural settings by fusing the speed and range of a fixed-base aircraft with the agility of a quadcopter. With its state-of-the-art avionics and sensors, the Thunder B-VTOL can execute intricate missions on its own, or with little assistance from the operator. Its sturdy design ensures steady flight in a range of weather conditions, and its modular payload capacity accommodates a range of mission-specific equipment, including cameras, sensors, and communication devices. The Patria AMVXP is a state-of-the-art armored vehicle built for the challenging conditions of contemporary combat. Building on the success of the Patria AMV series, this 8x8 wheeled vehicle prioritizes mobility, firepower, and greater crew protection. The AMVXP has major enhancements. It has a digitalis control system for improved operation, a modular design for flexibility, and stealth technologies for a low-rate radar and thermal signature. The AMVXP may be set up to perform a variety of tasks, such as an ambulance, infantry fighting vehicle, or armored personnel carrier. Its remarkable payload capacity enables it to be outfitted with potent weapons and endure even the most extreme circumstances. The groundbreaking MVP Robotics Humanoid Engageable Kinetic Training Robot (HEKTR) is intended to transform training for private shooting clubs and military law enforcement. By integrating HEKTR into their training programs, organizations can increase the readiness of their personnel and improve overall mission effectiveness. HEKTR's advanced features, such as its ability to replicate human movement and react to incoming fire, provide a truly immersive and effective training experience. This highly mobile and realistic training system simulates real-world scenarios, allowing trainees to hone their skills in a safe and controlled environment. The Small Arms Mobile Trainer SAMT is a cutting-edge training program made to give law enforcement and military personnel realistic and portable firearms instruction. This innovative system is very movable, making it perfect for deployment in a variety of places, including field operations and remote training sites. It enables users to practice shooting tactics, weapon handling, and tactical decision-making in a controlled and safe environment. It has the training experience is more realistic because to sophisticated simulation technology that mimics the recoil sound and visual impacts of live fire. The system is also adaptable, enabling the simulating of various weapon kinds and training scenarios so that personnel can practice with the same tools and circumstances they will face in actual missions. The RAILINK military system is a state-of-the-art combination of cutting-edge technology and powerful military applications intended to facilitate data transfer and communication across multiple platforms. RAILINK guarantees real-time, secure, high-speed connections between command centers and personnel vehicles. The architecture of the system is based on a robust encrypted network that can withstand cyber attacks and electronic warfare, ensuring continuous operation even in dangerous situations. RAILINK versatility makes it a BAL component military strategy that gives a clear edge in combat. It also facilitates interoperability with current military hardware and software, improving situational awareness and operational efficiency on the battlefield.